All right, we are standing in front of a Mansory Ghost. This car, we wrapped it right now in satin black. It used to be an actual burnout gray color, so it was a cool gray color. But this customer actually sold this car, and a new customer bought it and wanted to make it all murdered out. So obviously satin black is the most common murdered out look, and came out incredible. I mean, this is a scary looking car right here. If this pulls up next to you on the freeway, you better be dodging. No, seriously, but this car is sick. Look at all the regular carbon on there. Obviously with Rolls Royce Mansory kits, we're used to the forged carbon. This is the regular carbon, looks really nice. It has the twin LEDs on the bottom, so that looks really cool. Obviously more carbon fiber tidbits. The fenders completely changed to get this cool vent right here, because obviously the Rolls Royce fender has nothing on there. So you get that with the Mansory, you get more carbon on the bottom. And really my favorite part about this kit is the rear end. The rear end is really cool. Makes it look really sporty, but still somehow elegant at the same time. I don't know what happened here. Somebody walked by and they got excited or something. Huh? You got two wings on the top. You got that really crazy diffuser on the bottom. Obviously, this is a whole bumper replacement. You get the Mansory exhaust tips. We didn't put an exhaust on there because we want it still quiet. And then this is optional piece that some people hate, some people love. I think it looks incredible. Makes it look sporty. And elegant at the same time, like I said. This car, we did all door jams as well wrap. So when you open the doors, it's all satin black, looks incredible. And it also has black and red accents throughout. I have the Mansory floor mats and the Mansory pedals as well. So that really elevates the interior without doing too much. There you have it, a Mansory Rolls Royce Ghost. This looks incredible. One of my favorite Rolls Royce sedans right here.
Tired and sick.
Yeah.
Sick and tired. Yeah, this fucking guy.
We're done with the brakes.
We're done with the brakes.
Okay.
We're gonna test
Nice.
drive.
Brakes are done on this Cullinan. We did 4 new tires, front and rear brakes, and we are now getting ready to go on a test drive. Make sure it's okay, and that's it. This car will be towed to the customer's house.
Don't tap. Putting 91 because it's a Rolls Royce. Please, customers, when you drop off your car, please have some gas in there. We're not a gas station, but it's customer service. So you work on all these cars. You can look at the gauge.
Yeah, I did, but
I know, it's okay. You had a long day. It's hot. I know.
hey, you're supposed to bring the loan.
I'm not the one that packed it. I'm just a delivery man. Okay? I get him what he wants and he still complains. Let's start it, see if it works, and then we'll be back on our way. How many miles? I'm guessing 18?
Didn't say any 16 miles.
How much?
16.
16? That was close.
Okay.
What the fuck's going on, man? That's it. I'm trying to look for keys so I can move cars around, but there's no keys to find.
I'm gonna lose my mind. We have too many cars and I have them on the floor. I can't even begin to tell you how many cars we have in here and our other shop right now. We have maybe like 7 G-Wagons. We have another G-Wagon 4x4 on the way from Vegas right now. And manufactured gold matte designer color. Really crazy. We're gonna do Brabus on it. We have a China blue Brabus we're rushing. We have a gray Brabus we're gonna be working on. We have a Spectre we're doing a body kit on and blackout. We have a URUS Performante. Blue Sepia is coming for a 1016 wide body as well. That's already on the way. Cullinans everywhere. We have 3 wide body Cullinans in progress right now. It's insane over here, but we got to get it done. And Luis went on his vacation at absolutely the worst time. He hasn't taken a vacation for years and then decides to go on a worst time ever. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, but he's gonna pay for that next week. The whole shop is a mess. We have Brabus kit everywhere. We have all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. If we're still alive after this week, we're gonna show you some cool stuff. Welcome to the original car channel YouTube. And Moses is looking at me. We even do oil changes on Honda Accords, as you can see. No problem, no discrimination. But I am standing in front of a Revuelto. This is a very, very cool colorway on this car. It is actually like a matte battleship gray color. Looks incredible. You guys might recall we worked on this car, and we're gonna be doing some more work on it, some maintenance work, and some things that unfortunately have some damage. So we're gonna be fixing that. It's gonna be an insurance claim. It's got a lot of damage. So we also have a Revuelto over there with a hood missing and a bumper missing, because we are putting a Duke Dynamics kit on it, which oddly enough, we got another Revuelto in that has a full Duke Dynamics kit on it that was just installed, but our customer was unhappy with the work that was done. So we are fixing that kind of stuff on there as well. The Duke kit needs love. It's, you know, you get what you pay for. You could get Mansory, 1016, whatever. It's going to be probably double the price. However, if you get something like this, you're going to have to be fixing it. So we got a lot of work on our hands. We've been doing this forever. We're very, very passionate about it.
Okay, move! First of all, you can't even move.
All right, Revuelto on. It's a very, very tricky steering wheel situation to get out of electric mode. Car has 4 miles electric and 0 miles on gas. Incredible. We did it. We moved 10 feet.
The hole? You can breathe? Okay, look.
Okay, what do I do?
Go, stand next to him like a soldier. Like this, on the side right here. Okay, don't move. Just... Oh!
Everything, look at the bottom of us.
No!
Okay, we're good. We gotta get rid of it. It's enough. Everything. The throne is demolished. And my soldier took off his stuff, and then that guy's doing stuff bad. We had the idea of making like a little, I don't know, Game of Thrones style out of Brabus parts. What you see around me, don't worry, I'm sitting on this thing. It is well protected, and I'm not that heavy, so this is fine. But what you see around me is basically almost 2 kits. We have a lot more of it in the back. This is not all of it. We have the exhaust tips here, creating, I don't know what those are, but you know, got the wheels down there. And like I said, this around me is probably almost $100,000. So it's expensive, a lot of parts. You see the Brabus G-Wagon next to me there. But we're gonna finish up that China Blue G63 right now. That kit is actually in the back. This is not even for that. This is for another gray one. But the China Blue's almost done. It's a 3-day rush job, which is insane. The paint's already done, the blue and the black parts. And then now we have a lot of wiring, carbon to glue on, all that stuff. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like my chair.
Government for this wire.
What are you gonna paint?
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, but what are you painting? What are you gonna paint on it?
Body kit. Oh, Brabus. Yeah, another Brabus. I have too many Brabus for paint.
That one?
That one. Other one. This. Too much.